Nexikids. Nexikids. Nexikids.
Hello children, I'd be happy to help you teach about body parts. Here's a child-friendly introduction to some main body parts. Let's learn about our amazing bodies. Can you point to these parts as we name them? Head,
hair,
eyes, eyebrow, nose, ears, mouth, tongue, teeth, lips, cheeks, chin, neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, and hand, fingers, legs, knee,
foot,
toe. Let's revise the body parts. Head,
hair,
eyes, eyebrow, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, ears, chest, lips, cheeks, chin, neck, shoulder, and stomach, hand, fingers, legs, knee,
foot,
toe.